Hello, welcome to NAB 2015 with Contemporary Research. I'm Matt Sitlow, Vice President of Sales. We have our brand new QMod modulator encoders, and what that means is we can also modulate on coax any HD or analog TV channel and send it over high definition channels over coax. So for instance, we can make a 2.1 or 15.1 or 59.1. It also has the capability of streaming MPEG-2 over IPTV simultaneously as and modulating over coax. We also have our new model of this. We have our current model of our 1.5, which is a single HDMI and VGA. We also have a dual component version, and also coming out we'll have a dual HDMI in about a month. But currently shipping today at NAB, we have our brand new dual HDSDI, which has two HDSDI signals with closed captioning, AC3 audio, SAP audio, and all full internet web network control. This is our new product from Contemporary Research. I'm Matt Sitlow, Vice President of Sales.